Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sweetness and today I am here with a very beautiful, lovely look. And if you're enjoying this look, like if you really love this look, please watch till the end of the video. And if you want to know how I came up with my lip combo, please, it will be on my IGTV. If you haven't subscribed, girl, please subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. Anything you want me to know, please leave that in my comment box. And also on my IG, my DM is open, so you can leave your comments. But I'm talking too much. Let's get right into the video and see you at the end of the video. So I actually planned making this video a talk through video, but I noticed the echo, the birds, unnecessary noise from my neighbors. Girl, I couldn't do that. So here I am with a voiceover. So today's look is going to be a very subtle look, like normal look, and I'm using my eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, their nude palette, and it was so amazing. I have a review on that palette on my channel. Probably I'll link it somewhere up here. Yeah, okay, so as I was saying, I really miss you guys, and I'm extremely grateful for all those who checked up on me when I went off and all that. It's really hard because sometimes you really need to be motivated. As much as you are so in love with what you do, you need, the motivation, and I'm so grateful. Yes, just for you to know that my services is ready for patronage. So if you want me to make you up for your wedding, photo shoot, any other thing, please do not forget to contact me on my Instagram page. My email will be in my description box. My contact also will be in my description box, so you can, So contact Sweetness and I'm going to make you a very beautiful bride, or make sure you look glam for your photo shoot, girl. Yes, so as I was saying, that there's a new section I'm introducing to this channel, and it's going to be named Random Me, where we talk and just about skincare. I answer all your questions, and we really have fun on that section. So that section is actually meant for you. It's not what I have for you, but it's what you want me to talk about or glam about or discuss. It's what we are going to discuss. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Actually, I'm lying down just to make this voiceover. The truth is that I just had to do the voiceover for you, to tell you that I appreciate your support and all my new subs. Like, I'm really grateful, and I'm so happy. Anyway, the eye look, with the eye look, I knew what I was going in for, but I didn't know it would be this beautiful. Yeah, but the liner was not part of it. Like, I just wanted a very thin line. By the time I realized I had a wing, so I was like, okay. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing me, okay? So if you want to know how I achieved my lip combo, it would be on my Instagram page. So do not forget to check me out there. See you in my next video. Bye.